Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to write the test cases in Jira. Many companies follows many different techniques to write the test cases. In a same company, in previous project, I was writing test cases in Excel sheet. User stories we were writing and scenarios, actual statement, expected statement, okay, status. If there are any feedbacks we wants to give, that feedback, comment, all things we were adding in the test cases. In this project, we have a testing board to write the test cases. If I click on this create folder, so here a new folder comes. So whatever task I am creating the test cases, task number, hyperanalytic, description it has. I adding the testing board. Okay. If I create, the task will be created here. Okay. I'm selecting this one. So click on create, click on test. So here is a test vessel. By default, when you are in the testing mode, it will be test. Okay. So here, whatever expected thing, verify logo. Okay. And here you can mention the priority also. Verify logo description, actual statement, height and width of the logo should be some specific. I'm giving 20 and 20. Okay, this should be height and width of the logo. Description I'm writing here. In this way also we can write. Okay, if you click on create, that will be click here. So click on new. So here, if you are executing this verify logo, so click on in progress. Okay. So if once this is closed, you can mark it as a close the issue. So here you can, this is only called as execution. Close it. Now I will show you how to delete the test cases folder. So select the folder and click on these arrows. So here you can create, rename the folder, expand the folder, delete the folder. And here if you click on create, here also you can see test and preconditions. We can add the test and preconditions again. So there is all of the different things you can see. So if I want to delete, you can click on delete and done. The folder will be deleted. And some companies, what they will do, they will write the test cases and they will import the test cases into the testing board here. This, if any bugs are found while executing those test cases, so those bugs also we will be able to add in the test cases. These are all the different things companies follow. So it would be better to ask for a KT whenever you go enter the new project. I hope so you understood everything. So if you have anything more to know, so that you can add in the comment, and we'll definitely try to make video on that topics.